Hello students, let us have a look at the sixth term work of our OA lab. So in the sixth term work, we are supposed to make use of functions and simple if, and then create a table with the headings, numbers, and the numbers are to be from just 1 to 5. We are supposed to calculate the factorial, square and cube using the appropriate functions. Also display current date and time on the first row and the serial number of the weekday on the second row using appropriate date functions. So quickly, first let us have a look at our output. So this is how the output is going to be there. We have two headings, then we have date, time and a day to display the current date time, and day is to display the serial number of the weekday. Since Wednesday is to be the fourth, then we have this table with to display the numbers factorial, square and cube of a particular numbers from 1 to 5. So this is the output. Let us start. So first of all, let us select a cell and write our first heading as date, and this is the first heading, date and time functions. We are going to select this cell, increase the font size. Next thing would be to select this and click on merge and center. Then we need to add another heading. The heading is tables. So we shall select this again, increase the font size, select these two cells and say merge and center, and make the heading as bold. Now the next thing is to type the current date, time and the day, the serial number of the weekday. So for these we have functions. For the date, to display the current date, we have a function called as today. So we start with equal to, type in today, select this with the help of left mouse click and close the bracket and press enter. So you can see today's date is displayed, and the today's date is based on here the system date which is being displayed on a system. Next we have to have the current time, and for that we have the function as now, and open and close the brackets, press enter. So you can see here the current date and time of the system is being displayed. Next thing is to display the current day, the serial number of the weekday. So you type equal to and have the function as weekday. Now since we need the current weekday, that is today's, based on today's date we need the serial number. So we are just going to select our cell which is displaying the current date and close this bracket and press enter. So you can see the serial number 4 is being displayed. Now let us create a table with the following fields. The first one is numbers. Then we need to calculate the factorial of that number. We have next to calculate the square, and next is the cube. So we will select this heading, we'll make it center aligned. Here also we shall go for middle align and then make the heading bold. Now here we need the numbers from 1 to 5, so you can type 1 and 2. Just select these two numbers and wait for this 4 plus sign of the 4-headed arrow and then drag it. So first 5 numbers are generated. Now to calculate the factorial, we have the function called as fact. So you double click on this. So the factorial is to be calculated for these 5 numbers. So we write this function and then select this cell which contains 1, and the cell is here H17, because H17 cell contains the digit 1, and then close this bracket, press enter. So again select this and then drag. So the factorial for rest of the numbers is generated. So to calculate the square, we are going to first select this digit and then make use of the caret symbol which is present on the keyboard on the digit 6. So press shift and press the numeric 6. So here you can see the caret symbol, which means raise to. So basically H17 cell contains the number 1. So we are saying 1 raised to. Square is always to the power of 2. So we type 2 and press enter. And then again select this and drag. Next thing is cube. So again you write equal to, and you have to select this particular number and then again raise to 3 and press enter. Select this cell and drag it, and you can see the cube for the digits are generated. Next thing is select this entire table, click on this borders, select just the outside borders, then we just select the heading, we apply a different color fill for it. Similarly select the data of the table and then apply a different color fill. So, and then last thing would be to save this particular term work. So this is your 6th term work of the MS Excel Part A OA Lab.